All Soundvision projects start with modelling a venue. This is done via the 3D Room Data Toolbox, which can be accessed from the main toolbar or by selecting the predefined layout titled Venue. The basic structure is the same that you will see across many toolboxes in Soundvision. Along the top are the familiar New File, Open File, Save File icons that you will have seen in the main toolbar. Whilst this data is always saved and loaded in a project file, we can also save and recall the 3D room data independently. Next to these, you will find an icon for importing 3D room data, followed by the Undo Redo icons and the Help icon. On the bottom of the window, you will see 4 buttons for adding items to the project. There are 3 for representing different types of geometry, and 1 button for adding a group. After an object is added, the toolbox is filled with content. This is split into 2 sections: a list of 3D room data objects on the left, and the properties of the selected object on the right. Groups help to manage multiple objects at once. To add a group, click on the New Group button. Double-clicking on an object in the Objects list will allow you to rename it. We can click and drag the group to reposition it in the Objects list. We can quickly add objects to the group by clicking and dragging any object on top of the group. When a group contains objects, you will see the Expand and Collapse icon appear next to it. To remove an object from a group, simply click and drag it to a different position in the object tree. Groups are not limited to containing only geometry. Groups can be nested in other groups to allow finer control. On the right-hand side of the Objects list are 3 tick boxes. These control whether an object or group of objects have mapping enabled, have geometry visible, or have the audience height visible. Changing these from a group will affect all objects within it.